Moonshot just dropped Kimi K2.5, and it's not just a small tweak. We're talking about native vision and tool use capabilities that are making the current industry leaders look a little dated. But that's not all. Alibaba just unleashed the Qwen 3 Max, a reasoning beast with a context window so large it could swallow an entire library. Is the AI crown officially moving east? Today, we're breaking down the massive upgrades to Kimi, the thinking power of Qwen 3, and why Anthropic, Microsoft, and Google are suddenly scrambling to turn their AI into live workspaces. If you think you know who's winning the AI war, you need to see this. Let's dive in. Let's start with the one that caught everyone off guard, Kimi K2.5. Moonshot AI chose a silent push strategy. Users logged in and realized the model felt different. Tighter logic, cleaner reasoning, and a level of discipline in its thinking mode that we usually only see in top-tier reasoning models. The real game changer here is native vision. Most AI models simply caption an image, but Kimi K2.5 understands it. We're seeing stress tests where users upload messy floor plans or complex 3D diagrams, and Kimi doesn't just describe them, it converts them into structured 3D model specs. It maintains a coherent internal map of space, doors, and furniture, even when the image perspective is warped or messy. When you combine this vision with its new native tool usage, Kimi stops being a chatbot and starts being an actual agent. It can look at a UI screenshot, extract the structure, and then immediately write the code to replicate it. This is the holy grail of AI workflows, and Kimi just made it look easy. It behaves like it expects a process, breaking things down into steps that hold together perfectly. In programming specifically, we are seeing fewer loose ends and fewer missing pieces, turning Kimi from a tool that sounds smart into an assistant that actually does the work. But while Moonshot is winning the vision game, Alibaba is playing for the reasoning crown. Enter Qwen 3 Max. With a massive 262,000 token context window, this model is built for the heavy lifters. We're talking about feeding entire codebases or 500-page legal documents in one go without the model losing its place. But the Max thinking tag isn't just marketing. It features a dedicated reasoning mode that gathers evidence, runs calculations, and performs internal checks before giving you an answer. This is Alibaba's direct shot at the world's most advanced reasoning models. By merging thinking and non-thinking capabilities into a single model with a simple mode switch, they are giving developers the stability they need for production-level AI agents. It can search the web, extract page content, and run a code interpreter, all while maintaining its logical flow. This improves reliability on tasks where correctness matters much more than speed. Silicon Valley isn't sitting still, but their strategy is shifting. Instead of just bigger models, they are building integrated workspaces. Anthropic just turned Claude into a live environment. With the new MCP or Model Context Protocol, you can now use Slack, Figma, and Asana directly inside your chat. No more copy-pasting back and forth. You're literally collaborating with the AI in real time within the tools your team already uses. Meanwhile, Google is bridging the gap between a playground and a real product by connecting AI Studio directly to Firebase. This means the path from building a model to deploying a real app with users and data just got much shorter. Even Microsoft is moving, testing personality controls and memory updates for Copilot to make it feel more tailored to the individual user. And we can't forget XAI, where new leaks suggest a professional control layer is coming to Grok, allowing for advanced model configurations and system prompt tuning. The landscape just shifted. We are moving away from smart chat and entering the era of operational power. China is leading in raw vision and reasoning speed, while the West is doubling down on ecosystem integration and workspace tools. So what's your pick? Are you jumping on the Kimi K2.5 hype train, or is Claude's new workspace enough to keep you loyal? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. If this breakdown helped you stay ahead of the curve, hit that like button and subscribe to AI Grid Lab. We track the robots and the code so you don't have to. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.